Have you or a loved one been lied to about credit repair on YouTube? If so, call the offices of Everything Credit LLC. We would love to give you the facts about how credit repair actually works. Haha, all jokes aside. Sorry, terrible joke, I know. Anyway, we're going to go to the whiteboard in just a second and go over some lies that are being spread by everybody's favorite scammer, because y'all deserve to know the truth, not somebody just telling you what you want to hear or making up lies to sound sophisticated and like they know what they're talking about. But let's go to the whiteboard. All right, so again, I just wanted to discuss a couple credit repair lies that everybody's favorite credit repair scammer in Vietnam mentioned in a video last night that he has since made private. So he's telling you that Credit Karma is basically your friend. It's great to go over your report and see inaccuracies. Credit Karma is the worst. In fact, they don't show half the information that's actually on your credit report. Why do you think it's free? It's just a third-party application. The only thing Credit Karma is good for is checking updates to see if anything was deleted. And even that is not 100% accurate. The other thing he said, if you have your full Social Security number in a dispute letter, the credit bureaus can't legally send that information to the creditor because it has your social on it. Sorry to break the news to you, Mr. Vietnam, and anybody else that believes his nonsense, but you gave the creditor that information when you filled that application out to buy that house, that car, that credit card. It is not illegal, and it is not a violation to send that information to the creditor. I don't care how long you've been doing credit repair. Just because you've been doing it for 10 years doesn't mean you know more than everybody. Trust me when I say Credit Karma is not your friend. It is terrible when it comes to going over your credit report. And it's not illegal or a violation for the credit bureaus to send your dispute letter to the creditors, because that is their job, to send it to the creditors so they can investigate. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.